welcome back to English with Miss Faye. This is CEFR Year 5. Our lesson today is CEFR Year 5 Starter Unit, Lesson Number 3, Prepositions and Everyday Objects. The main skill involved in this lesson is listening and speaking. Alternatively, this lesson can also be adapted as a writing activity. Content standard and the learning standards are as follows. So firstly, what are prepositions? Well, prepositions are words, a group of words used to give direction, time, place, location, spatial relationships, or used when introducing an object. So the prepositions which we will be focusing on today are as follows. On, near, between, in, under, next to, and opposite. In order to make sure that you understand the use of prepositions further, let us have a look at the next segment. Let's go. Alright. Hi friends, my name is Alice. Today, you're going to join me on a little house tour. I'm going to show you the inside of my house. Let's go! This is the living room. My mother and I keep it tidy. My mother arranges the things neatly. We have a TV cabinet between the wall shelf and the vase. My bookshelf is next to the beanbag chair. Can you see it? My mother also put some snacks on the coffee table. Opposite the TV is the sofa. Near the vase is my father's favorite tall lamp. We spend a lot of time in the living room as a family. This is our kitchen. Whoops, let me turn on the light. Much better. The dishes are neatly arranged on the rack. My mother places her favorite dish cabinet next to the fridge. Our cleaning things are placed in the cabinet under the sink. As you can see, the spice rack is between the kettle shelf and the bowl of vegetables. We spend a lot of time here too. Finally, this is my bedroom. Sorry it's a bit messy. I have a study table near the window. Both my diaries are also on the table. Oh, my phone is on my pillow. I've been looking for it all day. I have a teddy bear on my drawer next to a ballerina figurine. Between the two picture frames on my wall, my father placed a wall shelf for my books. Alright friends, I hope you enjoy my little house tour. I'll see you next time. Bye! Based on Alice's house tour, we can now do this next activity, which is the what's what and the where's where. Alright, let's see how this is done. Alright children, in this activity, if you want to listen to Alice's house tour again, you may rewind and listen to her information correctly. So this is Alice's living room. Let's have a look at the information that needs to be filled up. For your information, this is a speaking activity. So, grab a partner, listen to the house tour, and figure out the answers to the blanks. You may now pause the video. Alright kids, if you're ready, let us check the answers together. Since this is a speaking activity, you and your partner may take turn to read the complete sentences. Let's have a look. The TV cabinet is between the wall shelf and the vase. The bookshelf is next to the beanbag chair. There are some snacks on the coffee table. The sofa is opposite the TV. And finally, there is a tall lamp near the vase. Did you get all the answers correctly? Well done! Now, we're at the next scene, which is Alice's kitchen. Let's have a look at the information that needs to be completed. As you've done previously, you may also refer to the video again to get the information. You may pause here. Alright, let's check the answers. The first one, the dishes are neatly arranged on the rack. The dish cabinet is next to the fridge. The cleaning things are in the cabinet under the sink. And finally, the spice rack is between the kettle shelf and the bowl of vegetables. If you and your partner have gotten all of this correctly, well done! Alright kids, now we're at the last part of the activity, which is Alice's bedroom. Let's have a look at the information that needs to be completed. Alright kids, let's have a look at the answers for the scene in Alice's bedroom. Teachers, if you're using this lesson and activity with your pupils, you may call up their names and ask them to answer you. Okay, the first answer is, the study table is near the window. 2 diaries are on the table. The mobile phone is on the pillow. The teddy bear is on the drawer next to the ballerina figurine. And finally, there is a wall shelf between 2 picture frames. Well done, kids! Alternatively, this lesson may also be adapted as a writing lesson, and for that purpose, we can do a writing activity as follows. Alright, for the writing activity, I have prepared a scene as per the presentation shown. This may be done in Google Slides or PowerPoint. Pupils need to drag and drop the everyday object around the scene, and they may do so as they like. Then, for each object, pupils have to write a complete sentence explaining the positions of each object using the prepositions that they have learned. Voila! Now, the pupils are able to write based on their understanding. Good luck and have fun doing the activity. See you next time. Bye!